In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Navy Federal Credit Card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged into the app, head to the main dashboard. Your new credit card should appear under your list of accounts. If it's a newly issued or replacement card, there will usually be a prompt saying Activate Card right beneath the card details. Tap on the Activate Card, and the app will guide you through a short verification process. You'll likely be asked to confirm the last 4 digits of your card, the expiration date, and possibly your CVV number from the back of the card. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Navy Federal Credit Card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.